In Python, how do I iterate over a dictionary in sorted key order? There's an existing function that ends in the following, where D is a dictionary. That returns an unsorted iterator for a given dictionary. I would like to return an iterator that goes through the items sorted by key. How do I do that?
Haven't tested this very extensively, but works in Python 2.5.2. If you are used to doing for key value in d.iteritems column ... instead of iterators, this will still work with the solution above. With Python 3.x, use d.items instead of d.iteritems to return an iterator.
Use the sorted function. If you want an actual iterator over the sorted results, since sorted returns a list, use
A dict's keys are stored in a hash table so that is their natural order, i.e. pseudo-random. Any other ordering is a concept of the consumer of the dict. Sorted always returns a list, not a dict. If you pass it a dict.items, which produces a list of tuples, it will return a list of tuples, k1, v1, k2, v2, which can be used in a loop in a way very much like a dict, but it is not in any way a dict. The following feels like a dict in a loop, but it's not. It's a list of tuples being unpacked into k, v. Roughly equivalent to
Greg's answer is right. Note that in Python 3.0 you'll have to do, as iteritems will be gone.
Idioma, to ser amor, le hace con se te subscriben.